Hey friends, do you want to learn how to draw clouds, even if you have no experience? My name is Alla Kistion. Welcome to my art channel, where I show easy drawing lessons. Today, I'll show you a very simple way that anyone can follow. Most beginners draw clouds like this, but this makes them look flat and like a cartoon. The real magic is much simpler. Let me show you step by step. Actually, a cloud is a huge mass of air. First, we look for the main shape. Don't draw many small details right away. Most clouds have a flat bottom. And only after the main shape is done, we add details. Well, now use an eraser to soften the lines. Now comes the main step. Without this, the cloud will look flat. We get volume from light and dark. First, we find the sun and see where the dark side will be. Then we add a light tone to the dark side and keep the light side clean and white. Inside the cloud there are many small shapes. We must leave the edges between them bright. If you shade everything, it will look like a flat gray mass and all the volume will be lost. Work very lightly, don't push hard on your pencil. At this step we just separate light from dark, and it's important to show soft tones. This makes the blend between light and dark very smooth. Remember, a cloud is not flat. It is made of many soft shapes filled with water. The sun hits some parts more than others. This creates middle tones between light and dark. These tones help us see the volume of each small piece. I continue to build the volume. At this step, I will add the dark tones on the cloud. To see where to shade, let's look at a simple shape, a box. The light hits the top, so this side is the brightest. The side face is away from the light, so it is darker, and the bottom gets almost no light, so it is the darkest. We use the exact same rule for our cloud, but instead of a flat box, a cloud is made of many round shapes. On each shape, the light works the same way. The tops, that face the sun, stay bright. The sides become a bit darker. And the bottom parts get less light, so this is where the darkest tones appear. By the way, if you haven't seen my video on how to make objects look 3D, you should definitely watch it. I left a free guide there with all the basics of building volume. I will link that lesson right at the top of the screen. And now, the next step. I am adding the sky around the cloud. Look how it instantly stands out on the white paper. Also, this background will make our drawing look even more real. In other words, I'm not making the cloud whiter, I'm making the sky darker. Okay, now, using a kneaded eraser, I make the bright spots cleaner and the cloud just begins to glow. Look at how big the difference is, and all of this happened thanks to three things: finding the shape, balancing the light, and adding the sky to make it pop. Well, if this lesson was helpful, please leave a like and tell me in the comments what thing in nature you want to learn to draw next.